So basically, guys, we'll be doing long multiplication, but I just wanted to show you about this book. This book has short multiplication also, and it has long. But we won't be wasting a time in the short one because I think so you guys would be really good in the short one. So we would be just doing the long one. And again, you all can buy the book from 11 Plus Help to Success website. It has both digital and the other copy, or you could buy from Amazon. But Amazon prices are little higher than the website prices. So let's get started. So this book, I'm just going to show you. This book tells you how to do long multiplication and short. And there's one exercise which has short multiplication, but we won't be doing that because you guys don't need to do that. So we'll be starting with the long multiplication. If you have the book in front of you, you can just go on. I think so the page number is 54 and it has written on it long multiplication. So you would be doing long multiplication today. So I'll be doing one with you guys to tell you how to do it. And after that, you could just, let me just get my answers. I can do it without the answers also. It's fine. So it's basically is exercise 7 and the second part. Because the first part has short multiplication, which we guys are not doing. So we'll be just doing long. So basically, it tells you how to do it. So basically, when you're doing long multiplication, you have it's basically called a column method. You start from the end, you'll do from 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 9 multiplied by 7 is 27. And then this is everybody forgets. If you're new to this, you forget to do it. You need to add a 0. And after you add a 0, you again go from here. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. And then you do 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. And in the end, when you do that, the next thing what you have to do it is adding. So you need to add them up. 3 multiplied by, 3 add 0 is a 3. And then you add 7, add 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is 12 is 2. And you add 1 on the top. So you don't forget, just write on the top. So 5 plus 2 is 7. And you have 1 on the top. That's 8. And 4 is already there. So you have 4, 8, 2, 3. That would be your answer. So the steps are multiplying, starting from the end, multiply by 3. Then don't forget to write your 0 when you go on 5. Then you multiply by 5. And in the end, you add whatever you get from your first column and the second column. So you just add them up to get your answer. So next one now. So we'll do each column wise. So who's going to tell me, or you want to go with the answer? Just tell me about your column. Adam, what do you want to tell me how to do this? Tell me what should I write for 1 multiplied by 3, 1.
1 multiplied by 3 is 3, and then you do 9 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. I mean, 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6.
Yeah.
And then you do 3 times 1 again, which is 3. And then you do 2 times 3. I mean, then you put a 0.
Yeah, that was I was thinking. Yeah.
Then you do 2 times 3, which is
No, you have got confused after that. then you will go from 1 multiplied by 6 because 3 is gone.
Oh, yeah.
You have done the 3. Just try crossing the 3 so you guys don't get confused. Now you will do the same thing, 1 multiplied by 6.
6.
Yeah. Then 2 multiplied by 6.
12.
2. And then you have 1 carryover on the top plus 1. 1 multiplied by 6 is?
6 plus 1 is 7.
Yeah. Now we are adding them up. So 3 add 0 is a 3. And 6 plus 6 is?
6 plus 3 is 9.
6 plus 6 is not 9. 6
Oh,
plus 6.
6 plus 6 is 12.
I was also thinking, okay. So where does my 1 go now?
My
Because you can't write 12 here. Your 1 will go on the top of 3.
the 1 goes, yeah, on top of 3.
Because top of 3, so 3 plus 2 is 5 and 1 add is 6. So your answer would be 7623.
Miss, I'm in year 5. Am I still allowed to answer the questions?
That's fine because you were struggling in long multiplication, no?
No, I'm Adam's sister.
What?
Yeah, so I'm Adam's sister. I'm year 5. Am I still allowed to answer the questions then?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, the next one now. Let's see who wants to give the answer. Please have your cameras on. If you're not, you will go in the waiting then. Joshua, want to give number 3?
You do 9 multiplied by 1, which equals 9.
Yeah.
And you do 6 multiplied by 1, which equals 6. And then you put a 0. And then you do 9 multiplied by 9, which equals 81. No, you don't put the 8 there.
I put the 1 there, sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you carry the 8. And you do 6 multiplied by 9, which is 54, plus 8, which equals 62.
Good.
And then
Now
you do
adding 1.
9 plus 0 is 9.
Yeah.
6 plus 1 is 7.
Yeah.
And 62.
62. Good. So it's 6279. So let's give the turn this one because the next one is easier. So I want any year 4s to give us the answer for this one, not the year 5s. So year 4s. Year 4s back to the year 4s. Let's see, year 4. Which year 4 wants to give the answer? I hope the ones who have the hands up are the year 4s now because we'll get the year 4s to give the answer. And then we'll tell the year 5s to help you guys if you are stuck in the answers. Okay, that is Shinmiti. Do you want to give the answer?
Yeah.
Are you in year 4?
I'm in year 4.
Okay.
Okay, so first you do 2 times 5, which is 10. You put the 0 there, and then you carry the 1. And then
Yeah.
5 times 0 is 0, and then you add the 1. So you put the 1, yeah. And then 5 times 1 is 5, so you just put the 5. Then you put a 0 underneath. Then 5 times 2 is 10, so you put 0 there and you carry the 1 again. And then 5 times 0 is 0, so add 1, and 5 times 5 is 5. Then you add 0 add 0 is 0. 1 add 0 is 1. Then 5 add 1 is 6, and it's 5.
Yeah. That's right. Good. Let's double check the answer. What are you given? I think so. Your answer is right. Good. We'll move on to the next one now. So we are on number 4. We have done. Now we are on number 5. Who wants to give the answer for number 5 now? Again, year 4s, get ready. Then I'll give the turn to the year 5s afterwards. Yeah. Avni, do you want to give your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Are you in year 4?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's
So
do
you
it.
have to do 2 times 6, that is 12. You would put that 1 over the 3. So 2 times 3 is 6, add the 1 is 7. Then you would put your 0. 7 times 6 is 42. Put your 4 over the 3.
Good. That's a good one. Over the tree. Yeah.
And then you do 7 times 3, that's 21. Add 4 down, add the 4, that would be 25.
Good.
And then you add those, that would be 2 add 0 is 2. 7 add 2 is 9. Then you put your 5 and 5. Then it would be add your 7.
Good. 2592. That's your answer. So on the 6th one now. Okay. Who wants to do the 6th one? Meher, what happened? You don't want to have a try today? Come on, Meher, let's do together. Unmute yourself. Try doing 6 times 2 first.
Let me quickly write it down.
What?
I'm writing it down because I don't have the book.
But you can still see the board. It's fine. So we are doing the 6th one now.
Okay. So 6 times 2 is 12. So you put 2 at the bottom and 1 on top of 8.
Yeah.
And then now you do 8 times 2, what equals 16. Adding the 1, it will be 17. And then underneath the 2, you put a 0.
Good.
And then you do 6 times 3, which is 18. So you put the 8, and you put the 8 at the bottom, and you put the 1 on the 8. And then you do 8 times 3, what is 24.
And you have a 1.
Oh, 24 and 1 equals 25.
Yeah.
So then now you have to
How's
add
the
something
adding?
up.
Yeah. So what is 2?
So
Add 0.
2 add 0 is 2.
Yeah. 7 and 8.
7 add 8 is 15.
Yeah.
So the 5 is going to be in the bottom. And you're going to put the 1 at the top. And then you're going to do
1 on the top. 1 goes on the top. Yeah.
yeah.
1 plus 5.
1 plus 5 is 6. But if you add the other one, it's 7.
Yeah. Good. And 2 is already there. It's 2, 7, 5, 2. We have done this one. Good, Meher. Next one, number 7. Who wants to do number 7 now? Adam, want to do number 7?
Mile. It's a mile.
Sorry?
A mile wants to do it.
Okay.
So 3 times 7 is 21. 7 times 0 is 0. But you do 0 plus 2, which would be 2. So 7 times 1 is 7. Then you plus it, you put your placeholder as 0, and then you would do 5 times 3, which is 15. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 0, which is 0, but add on the 1, which would be 1, and then 5 times 1, which is 5. So then you would add it, it would be 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. And then it would just be 5.
Yeah, good. 5871. Number 8 now. Joshua had his hand up from long. Do you want to do number 8?
Yeah. 6 times 9 is 54. Put the 4 there and then carry the 5. Then you do 0 times 9, which is 0. Plus 5 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. And then 0 there. And then 5 times 6 is 30. Carry the 3. And then you do 1 times 5, which is 5. Plus 3, which is 8.
That's 0. Sorry. You don't have that. I'll
Sorry.
swap that out. That's why you're getting confused. Your 3 should be there.
Okay. 0 times 5 is 0. Plus 3 is 3. 1 times 5 is 5. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry the 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6.
Good. So you got 6254. So now we are on number 9. Who wants to do number 9 now? Abhishek, want to try doing number 9?
So 9 times 7 is 72. So you keep the 2 there, and then you keep 7 up. Then 6 plus 7 is 13, and then
6 plus 7 is 13. No, 6 multiplied by 7.
Oh, yeah, I'm not sure.
You know your tables.
Wait,
Sorry?
14.
Okay, no worries. Anybody who's really good in 7 stable and 8 stable? Avni, want to try doing it? 6 times 7.
6 times 7 is 42.
And you need to add 7 more.
49.
Okay. Oh, both will come. You don't have any other. Okay. Keep going now. Just try doing this one. I've written a 0 for you. So now you have to do 9 times 8.
So 9 times 8 is 72. You put your 2 there, then you put your 7 above the 6, and then you do 8 times 6, that is 48. 48 and 7 is 55.
Yeah. Now
So then you would add 2 and 0 is 2. 9 and 2 is 11.
then you put your carry over the 4. Then 4 and 0 is 4. Add that 1 is 5.
You need to add 4 and 5. There's no 0 there. It's
4
4
and 5 is
5.
9. Add that 1 is 11.
No. 4 plus 5 is 9, you said, right? And you're adding 1.
So it's going to be 10.
Yeah. And you can't write your 10 here, so your 0 goes here, and
5 and 1, that is going to be 6.
is 601. Let me just see. The answer is becoming wrong. Something is wrong. Yeah, you did it right. It's fine. 69 multiplied by 87. Yep. Maybe I know what went wrong, because what's 9 times 7, guys? This was wrong. 9 times 7 is 63. You write 3 here and you get the 6 on the top. That's why it became, you did right, 6. And then you do 6 times 7. That's 42. And you need to add 6 on that. That's 48. So this would be 8 here. Let's do this one again. This one was wrong, this step. So basically, when you guys do 9 times 7 was 63. Your 3 is here. And your 6 goes here. And then you do 6 times 7 is 48. Sorry, 42. And you add 6. That's 48. Yeah, and then you add a 0 here. Then you do 9 times 8. That's 72. 2 is here. 7 is here. 6 times 8. And I'm adding another 6 here. That's 54. I don't know. Where did as Joshua want to say something? Yes, Joshua want to say something.
I'm just stretching.
Let me just check where these people went wrong. 3 is 3. 10 was 1. I think so. The second one is also wrong. 6 times 7. 9 times 7. It's 72. 2, and you add 7 on the top. 7 should go on the top. Then you have 6 times 8. 48. Plus 7. Oh, we didn't add 7. That's 55. Yeah. This should be like that. The next one should be 5520. So get 3, 10, add 1, 9, 10, add 1, 6. So that's your answer, 6003. That's for this one. Because of you guys not knowing the table, we did it wrong. Okay, let's go number 10 now. So number 10 is 93 multiplied by 89. Who wants to give this one now? Please have your cameras on, otherwise you'll be in the waiting area again. Did you have your cameras on? Okay, who wants to do this one now? Let's see. Adam, do you want to have a go? You have your hands up.
Yeah. 3 times 9 is 27. So you carry on the 2 and put the 7 there. And you do 9 times 9 is 81. But then you add the 2, which is 83. So 837. And then you would do 3 times 8, which is 24. You would carry on the 2 and put the 4 there. And you would do 9 times 8, which is 72, add 2, which is 74. And then you would add it. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 4 is 12. So you carry on the 1. And 8 and 7 plus 8 is 7 plus 8 is 15. Add the 1 is 16.
That's 4. It's 8 plus 4. It's not 7.
8 plus 4 would be 12.
Yeah, carry over that will be 8. 8. This is 7, yeah. 8277. Good, you got it right. So now we are on number 11 now.
Oh.
Number 11. Who wants to do number 11? Konishki, what is Konishka? Want to unmute yourself and give the answer?
So 7 times 5 is 35. So 5 goes down and 3 goes up.
Yeah.
And 7 times 3 is 21. And 21 add 4 is 21 add 3 is 24.
21 add 3 is 24, you said, right?
24. Yeah.
Yeah.
Add a
Then you
0.
add a 0. Good.
Yeah, and then you do 3 times 5, which is 15. So
Yeah.
5 goes, yeah, and 1 goes in the carry. And then you do 3 times 3, which is 9. Add the 1, 10. And then you do 5 times 0, 5 plus 0, 5. And then 4 plus 5, 9. And then you do 2 plus 0, 2. And then 1.
Good. The last one in this section, who wants to do this one? Joshua, do it. Your hand is so big up.
9 times 7 is 63. Put the 3 and carry the 6. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 add 6 is 34. And then you put the 0, and then you do 6 times 9, which is 54. Put the 4, carry the 5, and then you do 4 times 6, which equals 24, and then add the 5, which is 29. Then you do 3 plus 0 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 9 is 12. I'll put the 2 and carry the 1. Yeah, 32.
Good. So we did this one. Now we are on. Oh, there are more here. I will leave this one here because I don't want to keep doing this. I want to go on the missing numbers. So I've left the other one. So if you have the book, you can try doing the others on your own. So I like doing the missing numbers. So we'll be doing the missing numbers. So what do you think is, this is the third section. Yeah. So the missing number. So what do you think would be a missing number here? What are they multiplying it with to get 1 here? So let's do the first one together. So in the first one, because you have 23 multiplied by something, so we have to think about what number am I multiplying 3 with that gives me 1. So look at your 3's table. 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. It cannot be 3. Then you do 3 multiplied by 2, that's 6. It should be 6 here. That's not there. So you keep going all the way. And if I do it, 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. So 8 should be here. It's not that. So then I go from 3 multiplied by 7. So I'll write 7 here. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. 1 goes here. And your 2 goes on the top. And then we'll think about it. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. But we have to add the 2. That's 16. So that's why we wrote full 16 here. So the answer is 161. So you have to think like that on the tables. Which table you will do it? Like you have 6 here. Think about 6 table. What in 6 table gives you 8? That number would be here. So what do you think we'll put it here then? Think about 6 table and then you'll get your answer. Let's see who has the hands up. Joshua, I know you are the only one who has a hands up. Let's see if anybody else want to have the Pari want to give the answer.
8.
Yeah, you're right. It's 8. Good. And you can also try doing it and see if your answer is right. Because if you multiply 6 multiplied by 8, you know that's 48. You're writing a 8 here and you're carrying over the 4. So always try double checking your answer. So 2 times 8 is 16 and you add 4, that's 20. So yes, your answer is right. So like this, we will move on to the third one. So who wants to try doing the third one now? You know, the people who always give like putting the hands up is Joshua is 1. Adam is the second one. And who else? I'll tell you the ones who always have their hands up. And nobody else has the hands up. They all are confused. But this is not so hard. So what am I going to write here? Number 3. Okay, let's have someone else. Avni, want to try doing it?
5.
You think it's 5? Yeah, you're right. It's 5. And you can also double check seeing it. It's 5 because 3 times 5 is 15. 5 carry over 1, 15. And you have add on 1, that's 16. So now we are on number 4. Anybody who didn't get a turn wants to have a go, put your hands up. You should always put your hands up like that. Keep hands up all the way. No? Others, I'm waiting for someone else who does it. Who never had the hands up. Adam also has a hands up. His sister is putting his hands up. No, not me. I need my hand up myself, sister. Who else? Who else want to have their hands up? Guys, remember, if you don't show your faces, you will be in the waiting room. Keep on waiting for your turn to come. Oh, we did. Oh, we are on number 4. I was thinking we have done number 4. Somebody who didn't get a turn. Who didn't have a turn? Let me see. Nakshit, want to have a go? You didn't have your turn before. Nakshit, want to unmute yourself and give the answer? Okay.
I'm still working it out.
You're still working it out, okay? I saw your hands up, that's why I told you to. Samia is using his mother's profile. I remember he told me last time. What do you think the answer is?
You're not getting it.
Actually, the answer is 4.
Good, it's 4. And you guys, you can double check your answers, guys, to see that if you are doing it right or you're doing it wrong. Double check. 5 times 4 is 20. 0. Add on 2. 6 times 4 is 24. Add on 2 is 26. We got the answer right. Now we are on number 5. Let's see who is the lucky one who will get number 5 right now. Pari, get it done. So you got the top one now.
6.
You're good. It's 6 on the top. Double check. 6 times 2 is... Oh, but you also have to do the down one in this. You saw that?
6 times 2 and 0 is 2.
Yeah.
And 5 and 6 is 11.
1. Carry over on the 1.
1 and 2 is 3. And this.
Good. You got it right. So now we are on number 6 now. So who wants to try doing number 6? Okay, Joshua, do number 6. You have your hands up from long now.
Is it 2?
Yeah. Do you want to also complete
Yeah.
down?
4 add 0 is 4. 8 add 2 is 10. Carry the 1. And 1 and 4 is 5.
Good. So did that. So now we are on the other part. The 7 now. Who would be the lucky one to do this one? Seven. Oh, did we do 6? I think so. We didn't do 6. We did 6. Yeah, we did 6. So we are on 7 now. So let's see who does 7. Who wants to do 7? Just a minute, I'm kidding. Okay, let's do the 7. Who wants to do 7? Let's call anyone. Avni, want to try doing 7?
Why
Is
not?
it 2?
Yeah, it's 2. Good. Do you want to do the bottom also?
Yes. So 0
I
at
think
0 is
7.
0. 1 at 6 is 7.
Tell it that
And 1
we
at
can
6 is
say
7.
Good. So you got 7, 7, 0. Good. So now we are number 8. Who wants to have a go of number 8 now? Number 8. Pari, want to have a go for number 8?
Is it 5? Oh.
Yeah, it's 5. Good. And complete the adding also for us.
2 at 0 is 2.
Yeah,
4 at 1 is 5.
yeah.
3 at 0 is 3. And 1.
Good. You've done it. So now on number 9. I'm thinking how many are there? Oh, they are till 14. Okay. Number 9 now. Who wants to go number 9 and see what you will put here in the bottom here? So many hands up. Who want to have? Nakshit, do you want to have a go for number 9?
31.
Guys, please mute yourself. Only unmute when I tell you guys, yeah? What's number 9?
Number 9. Number 9 is 4.
Good. Do you want to do the adding also in the bottom?
Yes, it is
Yeah.
2,279. 2,279.
Yeah, that's right. Good. Number 10 now. Who wants to have a go? Number 10. Somebody who never got a turn before. You can have a go. And want to have a go? You had a go before, but still. It's your sister who did your hands up by mistake.
You want to do it? Yes, sure. Oh, Mile. It's me.
Okay, give the answer then.
Oh, no way. Will it be... Will it be 3?
Yeah, it's 3. Good. So then you just have to, do you want to do the adding also in the bottom?
9 plus 9 is 18. 2 plus 0 will be 2, but you have to add on 1. So that will be 3. 1 plus 2, 3. And then, yeah, just add on the 1. Then 1,338.
Good. It'll be 1338. So we are on number 11 now. So who wants to do number 11? I'm looking if somebody who never had a go can have a go. Who wants to have a go who never had a go? All of you had a go, the ones who are putting their hands up. What about the new ones? So you have to be number 11. Okay, let's give someone a turn. Okay, Joshua, give it because it's everyone who's already got a turn.
Is it 3?
Number 11, yeah, it's 3. Good. Do you want to complete the bottom?
And 8 add 0 is 8. 3 add 8 is 1. 11. Carry the 1. 1 add 1 is 2. 2 add 3 is 5. 5 add 1 is 0 add 1 is 1.
Good. You've done it. Number 12 now. Let me put the hand up like that so it shows you the ones you guys are left with. Oh, you won't be able to see that one. Wait. We are doing number 12 now. So who wants to do number 12 and tell us what's there? Number 12. Avni, want to have a go?
It is 6.
Yeah. Do you want to do the adding also?
Yes. So 2 add 2 is 4. 7 add 7 is 14. Carry a 1 over to 0. So it'll be 1, then that one.
Yeah, good. So 2 more left. Then we'll be done. Who wants to do number 13? Number 13. Meher, you don't like doing these? No? You've done it so many times and always your head is shaking no for this one. Who has not got a turn and wants to try their turn? Amina.
Somebody.
Aminia. Do you want to have a go?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Is it 2?
No. Okay, let's try doing with 2 what you said. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. You got that right? I think so. Must be. Then you look at the bottom one and then you try doing that. 2 times 5 is 10. 1. This is 15. Yeah, it can be do with 2 also. It's fine. You're right. But it won't work with the other one. I'm just looking. Will it work? 10, 1. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's 2. You're right. So do you want to do the adding now? Do you want to do the adding?
Yes.
I've done one for you. 4, 0 is 4. Then 6 into 0 is?
6 plus 0 is 6.
Yeah, and there's another 6 here and there's 1. Good. 1, 6, 6, 4. And we are on the last one now. That's number 14. So who wants to do number 14 now that this is the last one for today? Adam, want to have a go for the last one? 14?
Is it? Is it 5?
Yeah, it is 5. Good. Do you want to add it now?
Yeah, 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 0 and 1 plus nothing is 1.
Good. So with this, we have completed it and you guys have done really well. So year 4, I think so. It's Friday. You have your creative writing class on a Friday, I think so. This one is done. Yeah, I'm just looking. Creative writing is on a Friday for the year 4. So I'll see you guys on Friday. And your class is in the morning, I think so. It's in the morning. No, year 4 is tomorrow. Sorry. Is it tomorrow? It's it's on Friday. 5th April, Friday for the year 4s. Year 4 is on a Friday. So I'll see you guys on a Friday now. Okay, guys?
Bye.
That's all for today. I'll see you guys back on a Friday now. Bye for now, guys. Bye.